red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. 1. One baby arrives. 2. Two tiny hands hold. 3. Three sweet kisses given. 4. Four cozy blankets wrap. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.